These are 3 minimal logos. Let's start with the ellipse tool. So holding shift, drag the tool and increase the stroke width to 40. Now alt and drag the tool to create a duplicate. Now select the pen tool and holding shift, drag the tool to create a straight line. Follow the steps as shown on the screen. Please do not skip the video, as you will see how 3 different logos are created till the end of the video. Now select the line tool, holding shift, drag the tool. Now select the object and go to stroke and click on roundness. Now select everything, go to object and expand appearance. Again go to object and expand the fill and stroke. Unite them together in the Pathfinder tool. This one is created. Now move to the second. Select the rectangle tool by 500 by 500 pixels. Fill the stroke with white color and stroke with 70. Now click on ellipse tool and create an ellipse by 500 by 500 pixels. Select both the image and align centralize. Then click on the circle and do alt and drag the tool to create a duplicate. Follow the steps as shown on the screen. Now select the object shown on the screen, click on shape builder tool and with the help of alt and drag the tool. Select the circle image and with the help of direct selection tool, delete the top part. Adjust the lower part with the help of arrow key on the keyboard. Select everything, go to object and expand. Select both the objects, right click and group them. Fill the color. Now let's type the logo name. Follow the steps as shown on the screen. Now if you want to increase the stroke size of an expanded object, then here it is. Just click on that object and go to object and path and offset path. Decrease or increase the offset path and click on OK. Then unite them in the Pathfinder tool and you will get the proper image. So this is created and it looks beautiful in all the background you can see on the screen. Now move on to the third one. Let's create a triangle using polygon tool. Fill the stroke color to white and increase the stroke size to 40. Right click and transform and go to rotate to -90. Click on the image and go to scissor tool and click as shown on the screen and delete that part. Right click, transform and reflect it to vertical and copy. Shift the image using the arrow key on the keyboard. Then right click, transform and reflect again to horizontal. OK. So this icon is created. Now we can write the logo name below this image. Follow the steps as shown on the screen if you need it. Please comment me which logo you liked and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.